Today we're doing a video on how to use matching instructions in the core HL7 Postmaster. Our mission is pretty simple. I have a simple Postmaster created which receives HL7 messages from a TCP/IP sender on port 18001. It deposits these messages into the distribution folder. I need to filter out all messages which are not ADT messages. And then with the messages that are left, I need to deliver those to these two folders based on what the patient's last name begins with. The first one will get patient's last names beginning with A to J. The second folder is going to get patients whose last name begins with K to Z. Well, let's get going. To start, I just need to edit my Postmaster. I'll click the Edit button here. I need to go to the HL7 destinations because that's what I'm working on. And we're going to do number 2 first. I need to filter out all messages which are not ADT messages. To do that, I'm going to create a rubbish bin. I'm going to give it a name like not ADTs. I'm going to enable it. I could say I want to save them to a folder, but I'm not. It's just going to eat the non-ADT messages. Then I go to the Matching Instructions tab. This works the same across the entire Postmaster. If you see a Matching Instructions tab, you can add matching instructions. So I'm going to edit my matching instructions. I need a new segment instruction. This is for the MSH segment. Click OK. And now I can add the field instruction. What I want is field 9, component 1, subcomponent 1. That is the message type, and I want to say if the value is not equal to ADT, it will be handled by this rubbish bin. And what a rubbish bin will do is eat any messages that match it, and they won't be going to any other destinations in your Postmaster. So there that is. I save that. Now, on my other two, patients A to J and patients K to Z, these work just fine, except I have an error in this one, which I'm going to go and fix. If I go to the matching instructions, it'll show you a little bit of it. First thing you notice is I don't have a K in here. It starts with an L. So I'm going to edit the matching instructions. I pick the instruction that I want, click the edit button, and all I got to do is add a K to this list. I'm going to put it at the beginning just so that it's alphabetical. Do that, click OK, save my changes. Everything is there. I save my Postmaster. It forces me to validate it. And now I'm ready to test it. To test it, I just run it. Start it processing. Now, we're going to send 10 messages to it. Here they are. We've got 10 messages. They're all ADT messages except for 2 of them which are flagged as being ORU messages. I have this loaded up in my core or UltraPort ad hoc sender. This is our free sender, and I'm ready to send. So I just do it, and it's done. And you can see it's done here. It's a dispatch the message to folder destination patients K to Z. So if I get out of here, close this window, best way to check this is to do an extended validation and do a system watch. And then I can just double click on this and see the report. And here's the pertinent folders. For my A to J, there's 5 messages waiting in that folder. There's 3 messages waiting in the K to Z folder. Out of my initial 10, 2 of them were ORU messages which were eaten by the Postmaster. And that's how easy it is to set up matching instructions in any of the Postmaster objects that allow it.